Ready? Okay. And I need a color. I don't know. We'll do these. Okay. Oh, I do have my longer. Oh, it's not any longer, is it? Uh-oh. Alright, so number 3 on your table of contents. Go ahead and we're going to add rate tables and that is going to be page 3. And once you get rate tables up there, go ahead, turn to page 3, title it Rate Tables. And in the corner, go ahead and put a 3 and circle it like that. Okay. All right. So rate tables. Where am I at? Okay. So a couple of things. So the first thing we need to write down for a vocabulary, we need to write down what a rate table is. So we're going to just write that down with the definition. So a rate table Let's see, I know what they are, I just don't know how to put it in the kid words. Let me check the glossary real quick. Okay, student glossary. Rate table. Rate. Okay, here we go. A rate table Okay, so a rate table describes two quantities with different units the table increases by a constant rate. And I'm going to show you what that means. So leave your notes open just like I did. In your math book, tear out page 9. It has ducks on it. Yes, I already sent kids back once, Juan. You should have gone with them. Guys need to come prepared every time. Okay, find the total so far. Noreen started to save money. Every day she put 3 $1 coins into her duck bank. Write how much money she had each day. So this right here is a gigantic rate table. So Noreen has an empty duck bank. And she's starting with 0. On day 1, she put $3 in her duck bank. Raise your hand. So on day 1, how much money was in her duck bank? Johanna? $3. So put a 3 in that blank. On day 2, Noreen put $3 into her bank. So here's the $3 she put in yesterday. Here's the $3 she put in today. So on day 2, she had how much in her bank? Thea? $6. Very good. The next day, she put another $3 in her bank. So now we've got first day, second day, third day. How much is in her bank now, Emmy? $9. $9. Okay. Day 4, she's putting another $3. How much is in her bank now? Rebecca? $12. On day 5, how much does she have now? Trey?
18. No, not 18, 15.
15. Because we added 3 more to yesterday's total, didn't we? Okay. Day 6, she added another $3. Kaylee, how much does she have now? She has $18. Hold your thought. I think I know what you're thinking. She's going to continue to put $3 into her bank every day. Look at this, guys. It ended with day 6. Question 7 says day 10. Noreen had blank in her bank. How are we going to know how much money was in her bank on day 10 if our table stopped at day 6? What are you thinking? Kaylee? Okay, so $18 by 3?
By 4.
Okay. I'm not sure that makes sense. What do you think, Finn?
You added 4 more days on the 18, so 3 times 4 is you add 18 on to that.
Okay, so I'm kind of thinking in my head these days, and each time is another 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I could do it that way. Okay. If you're standing up, Murdoch, I'm definitely not going to call on you. Eliza, what are you thinking? 10 times 3? How do you know? Oh, so each day we're adding $3. Let me see if Eliza's method works. I'm going to come up here to day 1. We added $3, right? So day 1 times 3. Does that give me $3?
Yes.
So far, so good. Day 2 times $3. Does that give me $6?
Yes.
Day 3 times $3. Does that give me 9?
Yes.
Is Eliza's method working?
Yes.
So I don't have to keep my table going. I found a pattern. So day 10 times 3 gives me how much money? What do you think, Kyle?
36.
10 times 3 is not 30. 30. So she would have $30. Make sure you put your money sign to label your answer. How can I figure out day 12? Oh, I think this is what you were thinking, Kyle. How can I figure out day 12, Jackson? 12 days, $3 per day, each day. And I'll get $36. That is a rate table. Turn over your page and look at page 10. Okay, page 10 is where you're going to start at your seat today. It has the rate table. Guys, who's humming? Let's stop. Thank you. In the first one, we have days and dollars. And it's showing how much it's counting by each time. So you're just filling in the rate table and answering some questions. So, let's look at 12 though. Everybody put your finger on number 12. Number 12 says, these tables show 4 different ways Noreen could have saved money. Complete each table. Then decide which tables are rate tables and which are not. Explain why. Go back to your notes. In our definition of a rate table, we said it has to increase by a constant rate. That means, and put a little star, it has to go up, or I guess it could go down, but it has to, for now let's just say up, it has to increase by the same amount each time. If it doesn't, it's not a rate table. So, it has to increase by the same amount each time. So right there in your notes, we're going to sketch a rate table and figure out, well, we're going to sketch a table and figure out if it's a rate table or not. So, let's just go ahead. We're going to have days on one side and dollars on the other, like so. And I can just kind of sketch my table. And you can draw a rate table pretty quickly. And under days, I'm going to number 1 to 6. I'm not going to go to 7, just 6. And for dollars, I'm going to write down some dollar amounts. Is this a rate table? Trey, what do you think?
No.
Why not?
Because one day is $4, 2 is $12, and then so it, I think kind of goes one day $4, 2 days $8, and then 3 $12, 4 16 5 20 6 24.
Okay, so to figure this out, let me show you a little method, especially if you're stuck. Trey, good job, by the way. So, you want to make like a little carrot. How did they go from 4 to 12? Well, I know 4 plus 8 is 12. I know 4 times 3 is 12. So that kind of gives me a starting point. Then I think, well, how did they go from 12 to 18? Well, they added 6. Can you multiply 12 by anything and equal 18?
No.
No. Okay. How did they go from 18 to 20? Just add 2. Do we have a constant rate here?
No.
No. These numbers are all different. So, we're going to draw a little arrow and say, this is not a rate table. The daily increase, that's how much it increases every day, is not the same. A little hint. If you checked a multiplication table, would you find a column of numbers that go 4, 12, 18, 20, 24, 28?
No.
No! You can't count by anything for these numbers. They're not on your multiplication table. Okay, keep this note page out. I want you to set it to the side. So far we tore out page 9 and 10. Go ahead, tear up 11 and 12. Okay, today, at your seat, you should have page 9 done now. You're doing page 10, 11, you have more rate tables, and page 12, if you get to it, you have some factor puzzles to work on. And then at the bottom, they gave you room to create your own. Jackson? Okay, right now, let's have orange circle group move to math facts. Pink square group, start your seat work. Remember, we're keeping our voices down today. Green triangle, you are joining teacher group. Blue triangle, hands on.